Hey, Kilburn Cyclist here. Today is a short trip from Kilburn to Islington. I'm off to pick up my jersey from Belarusian. This is my cycling club jersey. This trip, well, it's during London afternoon peak hour, and I've not done this since lockdown really. So it's going to be fun, see what the roads look like. There has been a lot of changes on the road. All for the benefit of the cyclist. So great work, Lord Mayor Sadiq Khan. There's loads of pretty much the whole way you can go on a cycling path past Euston and King's Cross. This was never there before. Let's see. So this is the first major change from before lockdown. Before, this underpass was 2 lanes, and if you wanted to be quick to the city from the West End, you take this. Obviously much more dangerous than going up on the top part with the light because of the traffic. But normally the traffic here is they're also in standstill anyway, so it's not like you're gonna get hit. But now it's closed, so you pretty much have a lane all to yourself, all the way to the end. Amazing. So look how cool that is. Probably save yourself a minute, something like that. This bike path here on the left is also new. They've taken away the bus lane and the traffic lanes, so I mean, if I'm in the car, this will give you the shit, but most of the time I'm on my bicycle rather than driving, so all good. As you can see, the traffic is still quite light considering it's London afternoon peak hour. Yeah, but it'll fix up. It's clean, it's quick, but it's not very clean. After the ride, you do feel really, gritty from diesel fumes and whatnot, whatever dust. But yeah, it's quick. But I'd rather ride in the back streets really. Slower, but you feel more clean. This hill on Pentonville Road still remains the same, no bike path or anything. And I hate this bit because it's quite skinny and it's a hill and there's always queued up cars. So yeah, I try to avoid this. More like it, nice and quiet, not as much pollution, not as much traffic, not many pedestrians. A lot of cyclists, of course, and a lot of speed bumps. So this is Essex Road in Islington, Belarusian. The bike shop is just here on the left. That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys.